Hi viewers, welcome to the next video of the series. And as earlier I told you this video series is for students or new learners, and in this video we will learn how to install the Primavera 16.2. So let's start the setup from the software. As I in my previous video my VM was crashed, so I am going to install this on my own laptop. And this is the setup of Primavera, and this is for it is the version is 16.2. so let's start by its pressing its setup file, and choose it typical, okay, and click on install button, yes. And viewers, we need to set its database and its database password. Both of these things we need to select, and run database configuration, right, okay. And now select, this is the SQLite P6 Pro standalone SQLite, and click on next, and choose it default, right. No, add a new standalone connection, database connection, yes, next. And here you need to enter the password is admin1, as I show here on the screen. Password is admin1. So sorry, I need to enter the admin1 and admin1, right. Click on next, and it is telling you the username and the file location where it is going to install, and click on next. pmdb is its db's alias, and click on the finish, and you can see the installation has been finished. It's a not long process as AutoCAD or MATLAB. It's a small, and if we click on this, you can see this is the I need to provide the password admin1, which I already set during the installation. Click on OK, and it's going to open the appropriate industry file. Your organization has not been there. Click on it, OK, and your Primavera will be open. This is the installed software, and you can use for your requirements, as per your requirements. So click it, close, yes. This is all about the installation of Primavera, which was its installation was very small process. If you have learned something new, please subscribe my channel, and share this video as well. And thank you very much for watching this video, and bye for now.